Here is the Changtang no man's land, with a temperature of around -20°C. I am in the Nagqu area, repairing a motorcycle 100 kilometers northwest of Shanghu County. These are all my repair tools. Start blowing hard. The magneto is right here. It's out. It's dismantled like this. Now I need to lay the motorcycle down. If I remove the side cover upright, I'm worried about oil leakage. I haven't taken it apart before. I heard it would only leak a little. So I'd better upgrade it to avoid mistakes. So I still need to test the motorcycle slightly. Use this side box to support it, because I don't need to tilt it too much. Put this garbage bag here. Okay, the motorcycle has been tilted. Now we can start to remove it. The side cover of the engine. Feel the torque value when removing it. The torque value is not very high. It's very light. It's about 5 to 8. A torsion on the side cover. Because I didn't bring this torquey wrench, so we just feel it with our hands. Haha. Some screws have different specifications. Some are long and some are short. You need to remember that this one is longer, which has a higher step. Otherwise, when you install it, it will be troublesome. This is a screw for short steps. You can tell by comparing them. These two screws are different. Some are long and some are short. This one is longer. The others are the same. Look at this layer. There are 2 or 3. These are also long steps. These 2 are long steps. Put them aside. Look at the bottom. Short. This is the last one. So we can open the side cover of the engine. These 2 are long and the others are short. There are 2 wires here. We need to figure out a way. First, remove the connectors of these 2 wires so that we can successfully open the side cover. Too much effort just now. It was the cable tie that killed this wiring harness. And then the water tank blocked it, but I couldn't cut the zip tie. I also thought of using a knife, because I didn't bring the zip ties. I used a knife to pry open the zip ties, and then put it back on. Unexpectedly, these zip ties became particularly brittle at this low temperature, and broke with a bend, and these wire bundles were frozen hard. I removed the fender, and the radiator. Remove that titanium ruler. I removed all kinds of parts. Now it's a mess. The car just fell over. And a little oil leaked. It didn't leak at that angle at first. Now I removed the wires on the edge of the coil. I took it apart. It can be replaced. Fortunately, the wind is not very strong now. There won't be a lot of sand and wind. This is the coil. You can see that it has been burned black inside. This part is burnt. We need to replace it quickly. This is the new coil. We can continue our journey after replacing it. There is a little sand here, but not very big, so we need to hurry. This is the removed coil. Put it back in the original size. Oh no, my hand is bleeding. Got it in the tank. It's okay. Let me wipe it. Wipe it now, don't let it dry. It's hard to wipe. Sometimes in winter, it becomes very hard. Your skin, it breaks and bleeds easily, and it's easy to bleed. I'm twisting my hand. My hand is a little sore. I need to add some torque. You have to install this limit piece first. It's used to fix the line. Now the new coil has been installed. Compare it with the old one. It's burned black. This is new. There must be no problem. Before installing it, we need to check if there is any sand or dust. Clean it. The magnetism is so strong. This hole is not good, right? There's no problem. Okay. Screw each original screw back in, okay? Too long. Bolt 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just right. The torque is not very large. When we add some torque later, don't add too much. If you use too much force, it may slip. So, don't use too much force, just enough. Okay. Now we have installed this thing. There are some wires left. Put them back, and then try it again. Wow, there is a guard plate behind the water tank. It's too hard to lock this screw. Now installing Tai Chi. Now we can lift the fuel tank back. It's still cold. It's easy to be stiff. First, connect the oil pipe. It's not easy to connect. It's easy to remove, but hard to connect. All the screws are aligned according to the original size. And install it. I don't know what's wrong with my hands. And bleeding everywhere, both hands. Maybe it's because of the cold weather. It just needs a slight scratch. And it will bleed. I can't help it when the skin is scratched. This is the fuel tank cap. Install it. The screws of the fuel tank cap are also different in length. Install them according to different sizes. Don't install it wrong. Connect the circuit of the oil pump. Open the oil circuit. Ready to start trying to start. Now we connect the power bank. Turn on the switch and shift to neutral. Okay, now it's in neutral. The wind is too strong. Start the ignition. The voltage is too low. We need to try again. The car died after a few attempts to start. Failed. I know what the reason is. The voltage is too low. The voltage of the battery is too low. This will happen. So we are charging the battery now. This is the TR100 two-way charger of riding technology. Use this to charge the battery. Use an outdoor power bank. No, it's a power bank. I have a large power bank. It supports 100 watts. It can be charged for half an hour. If you don't believe me, let's see. This is my big power bank. Connect it. After connecting, there's a blue indicator light here. Flashes rapidly. It means fast charging mode. This power bank is large, 150,000 mAh. It will be charged for half an hour, 100 watts of speed. It can start and run the motorcycle normally. Now the voltage is too low. It can start but immediately turn off. There's nothing we can do. We'll try it later. Fast flashing means fast charging. It's 4:15 p.m. Beijing time. I've been fixing it all day. It seems that we can't leave today. We wait for him to charge to 35 or 45. And then start it again and try it. It's been charging for 5 minutes now. I can't wait. Unplug this before starting the engine. Otherwise, it will be easy to burn. Check the voltage. It's 12 volts. Let's try to start it. It doesn't work. I have to use a jump starter. Connect the power bank. Let's try again. It can start. I don't know if it will be interrupted. I charged it for a while, which is equivalent to activating the battery. It should be better. The current voltage is 10.9 volts. .7 volts. As long as it doesn't stop, it will continue to charge. Charge it up. Make sure he has more than 14 volts. We can continue to cross the no man's land. 9.6 volts. The magneto is not working. 8.7 volts. The voltage is getting lower and lower, but it hasn't stalled. It's down to 7.5 volts. It's about to stall. It's stalled again. The charging time is not long enough. Let's be patient and let it charge for a while. To save time, I can pack what I can first. Engine bottom guard and side covers and install them first.